That is serious. See the mold. Alright, what's good, y'all? It's Precision Pressure Wash. We're here in Kissimmee, Florida today. We got a really dirty deck, so let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so as you can see, we're pulling the hose right now. And I mean, this is what we're dealing with. Goodness gracious. I mean, you see it there, y'all. See, we got a hole. Look at this. That is serious. Just throw that out. But you see it's moldy. As you can see there. Weeds everywhere.
What's going on, YouTube? We got the band back together today, guys.
Yep. See all the way over here. Just a ton. Under here, it's not terrible.
It's not freaking
Under
good.
this. But once you get out, it's pretty serious stuff.
I need reinforcements.
I mean, you can see it's literally just weeds everywhere. Like, there ain't a single spot here where there ain't weeds. All the way around. See the mold. If the shadow wasn't in the way. But yeah, y'all, this is like one of the worst paver decks I've ever seen. These weeds are gonna be treacherous. As you can see, we already got the turbo nozzle set up back here. Got it on the big gun today. Obviously, this is our J-rod we used to put down the downstream. That's what we're gonna be spraying on this. He said that he'd probably X-jet before we even put down the soap, so we'll see if he sticks to his plan or not. But I mean, whatever the case is, this is gonna be a difficult cleaning, to say the least. But that's what we got going on. That's kind of the general game plan we got. Our equipment's already back here. We don't have the furniture or nothing like that, but we'll probably rinse them off with water when we're done, just so they don't got any debris on them or anything like that, because even though we're not supposed to be cleaning them, we can't be leaving them with a bunch of, you know, Duke all over them. So that's what we got. It's gonna be interesting, y'all. This is gonna be pretty hard, but we should get it done, or we will get it done. As you can see behind these as well. I mean, look at that. So that's what we got. It's gonna be a fun one, y'all, so stay tuned.
Guys, we still are going to surface clean it. I'm just trying to get all the debris to the screen and then out the door. What a mess, guys. What a mess.
Alright y'all, we're pre-treating, and as you can see, it's not bubbly, so I'm guessing no surfactant. Usually don't when we're doing flat work. As you can see, haven't even surface cleaned yet, but looks like a totally different deck in here, y'all.
It's coming along.
Those weeds were serious, guys. Once again, thank you to everyone who watches these videos. You're one of the main reasons we keep doing them.
Alright, so this is the game plan, guys. We're gonna surface clean this whole area here, give it a rinse. Then we're gonna slide these chairs over and rinse them as we're putting them there to be able to surface clean the rest of the place. That's our plan. Alright guys, we're on to the surface cleaning. It's not so bad right now compared to what it was.
All right, y'all, wrap this puppy up. Took like 2.5 hours, man. That was an experience for sure, but it's cleaned up now, cleaned up really well. No more weeds, no more mold. And I mean, let me show you the results. So of course, we had right here, which was the worst spot with the weeds. Waist high over here. Had a little tree growing right there. I don't know what type of plant it is. I'm not a landscaper. But all of that's cleared up now. Remember right here, moldy on these stairs. Clean as a whistle now. All up here, you see it. Looks really good, y'all. Of course, like I said, we weren't here to wash the furniture, but we did give them a rinse off anyway because they had dust and dirt on them. Might as well spray it off. Top of this table is nice and clean now, as you can see. Look at this, y'all. It's crazy how overgrown this thing was, and looks pretty much perfect now. So that was cleaning an overgrown pool deck. We are in Kissimmee, Florida today. As always, this has been Precision Pressure Wash. Like, subscribe, comment, leave a question. And until the next one, peace.